I think the government, through the Honorable Chief Minister, he has already promised all the stakeholders, please wait, I think for 3 months time, and the government will, will effectively try to follow up with the government of India, and also to get some kind of relaxation from the present form of the act. So therefore, I would request this person who is still in the hunger strike to, instead of instead of fasting yourself, why not you meet the government, meet the CM directly, and then get the clarification. I think that is important. It is not only that you go for fasting and then you get the solution. So I would request, please come out, meet, government is there, we will clarify everything. But right now, as I said to you, the government is working out how to come out of this chronic problem, out of the present form of the rules, regulation and act.
Also on the Lingkong